Everyone dreams of becoming rich, and with the fast-paced technological advancement and an ever-expanding global economy, there are many realistic ways to achieve this dream. It takes determination, hard work, and a clear understanding of market trends to make it to the top. With the new year here, it's time to look at the top 10 most realistic ways to get rich in 2023. Here are some engaging and practical ways to make your dreams come true. 10. Invest in cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency market is growing at an unprecedented rate, with more and more investors pouring their money into digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a great way to get rich, but it requires a lot of research and a solid investment strategy. One way to invest in cryptocurrency is to buy and hold coins for the long term. This strategy can be risky, but it has paid off handsomely for many investors. Another strategy is to trade crypto on the stock market. This requires a lot of research and a solid understanding of the market trends, but if you can get it right, it can be incredibly lucrative. 9. Invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market has been one of the most traditional ways to get rich. While it can be a risky game, it is also one that can be very rewarding. Investing in the stock market requires a lot of research and a solid investment strategy. With the right approach, you can build a diversified portfolio that can help you build wealth over time. 8. Start a business. Starting a business is one of the most effective ways to build wealth. With the right idea and execution, a business can generate a lot of money over time. Starting a business requires a lot of research, planning, and hard work. But if you can get it right, it can be one of the most rewarding things you can do. 7. Real estate investing. Real estate investing has been a tried and tested way to get rich for many years. With the right strategy and approach, you can build a profitable real estate portfolio that generates a steady stream of passive income. Real estate investing requires a lot of research and knowledge of the market, but if you can get it right, it can be very lucrative. Another way is by renting out unused space, such as a spare room on Airbnb or a parking space in a busy area. This can provide a relatively easy source of income without requiring a significant investment. 6. Create passive income streams. Creating passive income streams is an excellent way to build wealth over time without relying solely on a traditional job. Passive income refers to income earned without having to actively work for it, such as through rental income, investments, or online businesses. One of the most popular ways to create passive income is through real estate investments, such as owning rental properties. This can provide a steady stream of income through rent payments, while also allowing you to build equity in the property over time. Creating a passive income stream requires a bit of upfront effort and investment, but can pay off in the long run by providing a steady stream of income that can help you achieve financial freedom. It's important to carefully consider your options and choose a strategy that aligns with your skills, interests, and financial goals. 5. Create and sell digital products. The digital market is growing at an unprecedented rate, and there is a lot of money to be made by creating and selling digital products. This can include anything from ebooks, online courses, and software to music and art. Creating and selling digital products requires a specific skill set, but if you can get it right, it can be an incredibly lucrative way to make money. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a form of digital marketing that involves promoting products or services for other companies. This can be done through social media, blogs, or other digital platforms. Affiliate marketing requires a lot of research and a solid understanding of the market, but if you can get it right, it can be an incredibly lucrative way to make money. 3. Network marketing. Network marketing, also known as multi-level marketing, MLM, is a type of business model that allows individuals to earn income by selling products or services and recruiting others to do the same. In network marketing, individuals can build a team of distributors who work together to promote and sell products, with each member earning a commission based on their sales and the sales of their team. One of the benefits of network marketing is that it provides a low-cost entry point into entrepreneurship, as many companies allow individuals to start their businesses for a relatively low initial investment. Additionally, network marketing companies often provide training and support to help individuals succeed and build their businesses. However, network marketing has been the subject of controversy and criticism, with some people viewing it as a pyramid scheme or scam. While there have been instances of unethical behavior in the industry, not all network marketing companies are fraudulent, and many individuals have found success and financial freedom through this business model. To succeed in network marketing, it's essential to have a strong work ethic, be willing to put in the time and effort to build your business, and have a passion for the products or services you're promoting. It's also important to build relationships with customers and team members, and to provide excellent customer service. Ultimately, network marketing can be a viable option for individuals who are looking to start their businesses or earn additional income. However, it's important to do your research and carefully consider any opportunities before investing your time and money. With the right mindset and approach, network marketing can be a path to success and financial freedom. 2. Content creation. Content creation has become an increasingly popular way for people to earn a living in recent years. With the advent of the internet and the rise of social media, creating content has never been easier or more accessible. In 2023, the trend of content creation as a means of getting rich is only set to continue. So what exactly is content creation? It is the process of producing digital media that is meant to entertain, inform, educate, or inspire an audience. This can take many forms, such as written content like blogs, videos, podcasts, and social media posts. Content creation can be a lucrative career choice for those who have the skills and passion for it. Here are some ways that content creators can get rich in 2023. Monetizing your content. One of the most common ways that content creators can make money is through advertising. Platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook offer advertising opportunities for creators with a large following. Advertisers pay to have their ads shown to your audience, and you get a cut of the revenue. If your content is popular enough, this can be a significant source of income. In addition to advertising, content creators can also monetize their content through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. Many companies are looking for influencers to help promote their products, and content creators with a large following can command high fees for sponsored posts. Building a personal brand. Content creation is not just about making money from your content. It is also about building a personal brand that can open up other opportunities for you. For example, if you have a successful YouTube channel, you may be invited to speak at events or be offered opportunities to collaborate with other creators. Your brand can also lead to other business ventures, such as launching your product or service, diversifying your content. To get rich from content creation in 2023, it is important to diversify your content. This means creating content for multiple platforms and in different formats. For example, if you have a successful blog, you might consider creating videos for YouTube or starting a podcast. This not only expands your reach, but also makes you less reliant on a single platform. Consistency and quality. To be successful in content creation, you need to be consistent in producing high-quality content. This means creating content regularly and putting in the effort to ensure that it is the best it can be. Your audience will quickly lose interest if you don't provide them with fresh, engaging content regularly. 1. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is a crucial component of building wealth. This means developing your skills, knowledge, and expertise through education and training. The more valuable you are to your employer or potential clients, the more money you can command. It's essential to stay current with industry trends and to continue learning and growing throughout your career. You can also choose to be a freelance agent, as freelancing is becoming an increasingly popular way to build wealth. It provides the opportunity to work for yourself, choose your clients, and set your rates. Freelancing requires a specific skill set, but if you can find the right niche, it can be an incredibly lucrative way to make money. In conclusion, there are many practical and realistic ways to build wealth in 2023. Whether you choose to invest in stocks or real estate, start a business, or invest in yourself, create a passive income stream, or freelance, there are plenty of opportunities to achieve financial success. It's essential to have a long-term investment strategy and to stay disciplined with your saving and spending habits. By learning from successful people and staying up to date with industry trends, you can increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. It's important to remember that building wealth takes time, effort, and patience, but with the right approach and mindset, you can achieve your financial dreams.